Check it out. Here we have the Starwork 312 piece mechanic tool set for under $300. Is this the real deal? We're gonna find out. And if you're new here, welcome to my Fast Friday tool review series, where you get all the information you need, plus a couple quick demonstrations, so that way you can get on to your weekend projects. Let's get after it. Let's take a look at what's inside this Starwork case right here. Very nice heavy duty case, 2 snaps on the front, 1 snap on the back, and then one side opens like on the left right there. Then you can see that protective foam in the middle, and then the right flap right there opens up. In a second, we're gonna just see how this works on loosening a few things on my alternator right there. So this is really easy to get to, so I thought it'd just be a good demonstration to check out real quick. And then we're gonna go over there on my mower. We're gonna see if this has everything I need to get it ready for the spring season. So I'll give you a close-up of all this in just a second, but I just wanna quickly show you what you're gonna get in this kit right here. So you're gonna get 14 120 tooth ratcheting wrenches, 95 sockets, 16 drive tools, 40 hex L keys, 6 pliers, 12 nut drivers, 8 screwdrivers, and a multi-bit 6-in-1, and then 1 magnetic handle, then 120 screwdriver bits. So I'm gonna guess that a 3/8 ratchet is probably one of the most popular. This can really get into some tight spaces. So this ratchet handle, like I mentioned, 120 teeth. So you push that button right there, it locks the socket on. I have a 15mm socket, and you can just hear that. Love that sound. All right, so we're gonna go in here and loosen it in just a second, but I wanna give you a quick overview of what's in this kit right here. So right here's a breakdown of every single thing that's in the kit. And I'll also provide a link down below where you can check out all these things in detail. And then you can also see all the different comments and ratings on it and the current price in case you're watching this a little bit later after this goes live. So I've been driving this around my vehicle for a few days, and when I opened it up, nothing came loose on it. So that's what I was excited about. I've had some other mechanic sets where you have to reorganize all the sockets because they roll around, but everything in here has been locking in very nice. So over on the left side right here, we have all the different pliers. We have the ratcheting 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch, the extensions right there, different sizes, the hex bits, and then those will work with this screwdriver right here. Has that 1/4 inch end. Then you have all these sockets, metric over there, SAE on this side right here. Then we have your deep sockets, and then your box wrench, open wrench right here. And these are reversible. So these are the same thing, 120 teeth. Can you hear that? And then some different adapters right there. And these right here I like to call channel locks, but they are adjustable pliers. Your different screwdrivers. This looks like a wire cutting plier. Then you have some different bit drivers right here. This would work really well if you were using an impact wrench and want to hook a socket up to it. This looks like a 1/4 inch socket adapter. And then all these different hex keys right here in SAE and metric. So that is your quick overview. So is there anything missing from this I'd like to see? There is one thing, and I'm gonna see if there's room to add it in here. Let me go grab it. So right here I have 3 different size universal joint adapters. So a lot of times on some of my vehicles I've owned over the years, if I'm trying to get to the spark plugs, I've really needed something like this. So maybe I'm gonna have to see if there's a place where I probably get to fit underneath some of these handles right here. Looks like there's a little bit of room. All right, let's take a look at my alternator here a minute. All right, let's give this a try. I have the 15mm socket on there. All right, let's see if we can loosen this. It does feel good. So I do have an upcoming project on this pretty soon. It's replacing the power steering pump. So I'm not sure how involved that's going to be, but keep my fingers crossed that it's not too difficult. But either way, I'm quite confident I'll be able to tackle it with this set right here. You can definitely get an arm workout lifting this. Let's just see exactly how heavy it is on my scale right here. All right, 31.9, basically 32 pounds. This is a twin cylinder engine. So right here is one of the spark plug boots. So we can get that off. There we go. Got the bigger 13/16 right here. Let's see if that's the right size. All right, the nice thing is we have a long 3/8 extension. Let's see what that spark plug looks like. All right, here's the spark plug. I could check the gap on it, or I could just go ahead and replace them. So here's something I was just noticing on the box. This has a limited lifetime warranty. I think that's awesome. So, I was thinking, if you buy a mechanic set like this, say you don't really know a lot about automotive repairs, if you watch a couple of YouTube videos, you can quickly learn how to fix some things on your own. I replaced an alternator in one of our minivans. It was kind of difficult to get to, but I watched 2 videos, did it myself, and that alone, instead of going and getting it fixed from a mechanic, probably paid for this set in that one repair alone. I definitely think this is worth it, and I think you're gonna be happy with it. Hey Leo, how do you like this new tool set? If you want to see some of my other Fast Friday tool reviews, I have a short playlist I put together right here for you. Watch that. And if you want to continue watching all my upcoming tool reviews and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button right there down below.